Things that got on my nerve this week on TikTok. I got the unpopular opinion. And yes, I'm hopping back up on this app, and a lot of y'all might not like me, and I ain't gonna really care. Let's talk about these kojic acid turmeric soaps. You all, kojic is an acid. Just like hyaluronic acid, you have AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids. You have BHAs, which is beta hydroxy acid. You have glycolic acid. You also have salicylic acid, you all. A lot of these things are not formulated to use together. Turmeric is a natural lightener, just like baking soda, just like lemon, just like licorice. They're not made to be used together. Turmeric times kojic, you're asking for trouble and you're screwing up your natural skin barrier. And what's even more disheartening is UV rays are outside, whether it's sunny, whether it's dark, whether it's rainy. The blue light on your screen is a UV ray. You work in the office under light, that's a UV rays. And some of you all not even wearing sunscreen. Kojic is an acid that's made for dark spots, yes, but dark spots around your elbows, your bikini line, your knuckles, your kneecaps, even your butt, places where the sun don't really touch. When you go to using kojic on your face, sunscreen is going to be needed, and it shouldn't even be used on your face. When you go in with skincare, you moisturize clockwise, counterclockwise, you cleanse. And then the way I see some of y'all pulling at y'all skin using that turmeric soap, and my God, I saw one paired with lemon. You all are burning your skin, you're messing up your skin barrier. Take it from somebody in their 40s who loves skincare. That ain't the way. You ever wonder why so much of y'all hopping on this app at the same time and every 10 slides is I'm selling this, I'm selling this? Because y'all outsourcing kojic by the jar from Amazon, pounds of turmeric from Amazon that's coming from someplace in China that know y'all ain't doing the research because not near one of y'all hired a chemist. Baby, y'all are going to get sued. Okay, when I click on these websites, only disclaimer I saw is results may vary. I saw no one say do a patch test. It ain't right, y'all. That ain't the way for natural lightening and hyperpigmentation. It ain't. Stay away from the soaps, and I don't care who get mad.